Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go here in the Microsoft Store. So on the search bar, just search Microsoft Store and then click open. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do is to search for WhatsApp. Once you're now here, what we're going to do is to just make sure that we have the latest version of WhatsApp. So once you click it right here, you should be able to see update right there if WhatsApp is not on the latest version. So make sure that it's on the latest version. And then once you're now done with this, what we're going to do right here is to go into search bar and then search for WhatsApp. And then in this part, we're going to click on app settings. Once you click on app settings, what we're going to do is to repair WhatsApp. So go here on the bottom and then look for terminate. So what we're going to do is to click on terminate. After that, we're going to click on repair, and then let's wait for this to finish, and then click on reset. After that, click on reset once again, and then wait for this to finish. And then after that, once you do that, just restart your PC and then see if WhatsApp is now working. However, if it is still not working, then the last thing that we can do right here is to uninstall it. So we're going to click on uninstall right here, and then click uninstall again. And then we're going to go here on in the Microsoft Store once again, and then we're going to just reinstall it. So just click reinstall right here, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.